Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name's Adil and today we are sat inside a Lamborghini Aventador. Yes, another one. So what we're talking about today is all about Apple CarPlay. You know, if you own one of these vehicles and you're looking into this sort of upgrade, it is very, very dated in here in terms of this media system. However, not anymore. As you'll see here, we've got Apple CarPlay as well as Android Auto fully wirelessly, all connecting into the original Lamborghini system. So we're using the original controls here. It doesn't activate touchscreen. However, you use the original controls to come in and out of the system. One really cool thing is you can actually go back into the actual original system by clicking the nav button, and it takes you back to this dated system, which you're probably not going to want to use very often. However, things like heated seats memory, so when you click on this, you then do need to adjust the actual settings on here. You can do that just naturally by knowing, but you need your heating controls, which all come through on the screen. So that allows you to come in and out really easily. Single press of the nav button takes you straight in, and you can go straight into Apple CarPlay, and you can go through and select that with your phone. So this is all wireless. I've now got my music, I've got full phone capability, I've got Google Maps, Apple Maps, Waze, and this is the same on Android Auto, just slightly different layout. It works obviously with Android Auto, but really, really cool customization. If you do have a car with steering controls, it also does work with that. Obviously on this particular vehicle, we've done our full sound system package as well via the Cambridge Car Audio brand. So if you're interested in Apple CarPlay, reach out to us if you want that just alone. However, if you do want the full sound system treatment plus Apple CarPlay, head over to the Cambridge Car Audio website, where we've got all the packages live on our website for the sound system upgrade like we've got in here. So this is a car owned by DJ Mark Knight. We just carried out the full sound system as well as the Apple CarPlay conversion, but over the moon with the finished results. Really intuitive, works really nicely, you get hands-free as well, but the sound system is the bit that makes it, so make sure you go check that out. Links for both websites, CBS Automotive and Cambridge Car Audio, all in the description below. So see you on the next one.